having had an 8-year-old daughter, if I had time right now, I'd go find a picture that's somewhere in my photo albums of how I did this. So here's one idea. So there are these feeling and needs sheets. So what I used to do is I would print them out and then I would cut them into little pieces so that there was one need on every piece of paper. Now you could just get a piece of paper and write needs on Post-it notes, right? You could just grab Post-it notes and put a need on a Post-it note, but the stickiness gets in the way. What I would do is we'd put this in a bowl, and we did this for a few years when she was little. Every morning over breakfast, we would each pull like a random word out of our bowl, and we'd be like, "Ooh, I got beauty. What did you get? Oh, I got like belonging." Okay, and then the task for the day was that we would go through our day looking for examples of this need being met, and then at dinner time, we would share all of the ways that we noticed that need being met that day. And we just did that as part of like how, we did our breakfasts and dinners. It was kind of our check-in. And the nice thing about that is you get one word a day. It gives you a little bit of a mindset, especially when you're focusing on where this need is being met, is a much more enjoyable mindset than where it's not being met, right? And you start noticing, like, if you take the need for beauty and you go, today I'm just going to look for all of the ways in which my need for beauty is being met. It's everywhere all the time. Suddenly this need is just being met. You get to the end of your day feeling filled up and resourced by the way in which the need is being met. And it's also a very easy way to just go through, and then we put them in the next bowl, and then, we just move through all of the words, and then we'd scramble them up and put them in again. So that's a very practical, applicable, relational way of using needs language without getting into theory and just explaining. And 8-year-olds don't need that. They just need the language and the experience of how we use it.